Hi everyone, welcome to Shiva Karthikeya Smart Learning. In this video, we are going to learn about the satellites. Satellites are small objects or celestial bodies that orbit or revolve around a planet or a large object in space. Satellites are nothing but these are the small objects or celestial bodies that orbit. They will orbit or they will revolve around a planet or a large object in space. Okay. In the solar system, all the planets have their own natural satellites. In the solar system, all the planets, every planet have their own natural satellites except the planets Mercury and Venus. Except these two planets, all other planets have their own natural satellites. There are two types of the satellites. First one is natural satellites. Second one is artificial satellites or man-made satellites. There are two types of satellites. First one natural satellites. Second one artificial satellites or man-made satellites. Coming to the natural satellites. Natural satellites are smaller bodies in the space that orbit around larger bodies. Natural satellites are the smaller bodies in space that orbit around the larger bodies. Around the larger bodies, these smaller bodies will be orbiting. Okay. There are over 200 moons in our solar system. In our solar system, there are 200 moons approximately. And the moon is the only natural satellite. The moon, it is the only natural satellite of the earth. It is the brightest object in the sky after the sun. The moon is the brightest object in the sky after the sun. It is the only brightest one in the sky. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. We know that, and moon is the natural satellite of the earth after the sun. It is only the brightest object in the sky. Next one, artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are objects made and launched by man from the earth to the space. These artificial satellites are objects made and launched by the man from the earth to the space. Made and launched by the man from the earth to the space. They are used to study the earth and other planets. These artificial satellites are used to study the earth and also the other planets. How the atmosphere is, how the rocky areas is there, anything is there, minerals are there, everything they will study regarding by using the artificial satellites. There are currently 3000 active satellites orbiting the earth. At present, there are 3000 active satellites that are orbiting the earth. The size, altitude and design of a satellite depend on its purpose. The size of that and also height and design of that particular satellite will depend upon its purpose. According to the purpose, they will be designed and they will be sent to the space and they will be orbiting around the particular planet or anything. Whatever the information we want to get from that planet, will send this satellites to that. Okay, according to the size, height and also design, that will depend upon its purpose. Okay, the world's first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1 and it was launched from Soviet Union. The world's first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1 and it was launched from Soviet Union. Sputnik 1 is the world's first artificial satellite, and from Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. Sputnik 1 is the world's first artificial satellite. You get the difference? Aryabhatta is from the India and Sputnik 1 is from the whole world. India has built and launched several artificial satellites, and according to that, these artificial satellites are designed according to the height, purpose, the size, the height or anything that depends upon its purpose and their design and sent to the space. This is regarding the artificial satellites, artificial natural satellites and also artificial satellites. I hope you like this video regarding the satellites. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and also watch the other videos. Thank you.